Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to integrate the function e to the square root of x with respect to x. Alright, let's get started. I would like to use substitution. Let t be equal to the square root of x. So wherever we have square root of x, we are going to replace it with t. And now let us differentiate both sides. We have dt, the derivative of the left hand side. This is equal to, if you differentiate this, you're going to obtain 1 divided by 2 multiplied by square root of x, then dx. To make dx the subject, we can multiply both sides by 2 multiplied by square root of x. Therefore, 2 multiplied by square root of x times dt is equal to dx. But remember that we have let square root of x to be equal to t, and hence we have that 2t dt is equal to dx. Now let us back substitute. We have the integral of e to the what? E to the square root of x, which we have declared with t, multiplied by dx. But dx is now 2t dt. But we can bring the 2 here since it is constant, and we have a t dt. Alright, now we have product e to the t and t. They are all functions of t. Therefore, we can use integration by path. And how can we use it? Remember the formula. If you have the integral of u dv, this is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So now let us choose u and dv from this function, e to the t and t. So I would like to declare u to be equal to t and dv to be equal to e to the t. Du from here is equal to, if you differentiate this, you're going to get 1. We have dt, right? Just dt, 1 dt, which is dt. And to get v from here, let us integrate the left hand side. We have v. Integrate the other side, you still have to get e to the t. Now let us back substitute everything here into this formula. Integral of u dv, that is 2 multiplied by, what do we have? E to the t times t dt is equal to uv. U is t and v is e to the t. So we have t times e to the t. T times e to the t. Then minus the integral of v du. That is v. Where is the u? This is that. That is e to the t dt. E to the t dt. This is equal to t e to the t minus, if you integrate this, it will not change. So we have e to the t plus the constant of integration. But remember that you have to multiply by 2 because we have 2 here, sorry. So everything to the left hand side will have to be multiplied by 2. So we have 2 times the whole of this. And you have to also multiply this by 2. We have 2 times the whole of this. Alright, so if you simplify this, you have 2t e to the t minus 2 multiplied by e to the t, then minus 2c. We should know that this is also a constant. We can replace it with another constant k. So we have our solution to be 2t e to the t minus 2e to the t, then plus k, for which k is equivalent to this. They are all constants. Alright, but what is t actually? Remember, we have let t to be equal to square root of x. So we are going to replace it with square root of x. And finally, we have our solution to be 2 multiplied by square root of x times e to the square root of x minus 2 e to the square root of x, then plus the constant of integration. If you like, you can factorize this. Otherwise, you leave it like this because I can see we have 2e to the x in common. 2e to the square root of x. So this is 2 e to the square root of x. Inside we have from the first time we have square root of x left, square root of x. Then the whole of this is out, we have 1 here, then plus the constant of integration, and hence this is just the solution to this integral. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.